Have you ever felt a nameless void inside you? Like you're surrounded by everything, and still something vital is missing? Like you've forgotten where your true home is? As if your soul were crying out, in a language your mind no longer understands. Maybe you're not lost. Maybe your crown chakra is disconnected. Today we'll explore the deepest signs of a blocked Sahasrara, when the soul falls silent, faith fades, and the connection to the all dissolves. And most importantly, how to begin hearing the universe whisper again, from within. Spiritual disconnection doesn't scream hollows. It's not depression, but it feels similar. It's not loneliness, but it aches. It's a kind of silence that detaches you from everything. An invisible absence, heavier than 1,000 thoughts. If life feels meaningless, if you're walking without spiritual direction, this message may be the bridge back to your highest center. Because sometimes you don't need more noise. You need a reunion with your essence. The crown chakra, or Sahasrara, means 1,000 petals in Sanskrit. It's located at the very top of the head. It's the gateway between your individual self and universal consciousness, where the I ends and the we begins. Sahasrara governs spiritual connection, transcendent wisdom, a sense of unity with all life, faith, inspiration, and cosmic consciousness, higher purpose and loving surrender. When this chakra is balanced, you feel deep peace even without external reasons, trust in life, intuition beyond logic, divine inspiration, gratitude simply for being alive. You become more present, more light, more authentic. Not because you understand everything, but because you realize you don't need to. You simply trust. But when the crown chakra is blocked, life feels empty, soulless. Spirituality becomes a distant concept, like a melody you once heard, but forgot how to listen to. Here are 5 of the most powerful signs that your crown chakra needs attention. You might not see them with your eyes, but your soul feels every one of them. Sign number 1. Existential emptiness. You feel like something's missing, but can't name it. No achievement, relationship, or pleasure truly fulfills you. That's the spirit's cry, disconnected from its source. And no distraction can silence it for long. Sign number 2. Difficulty connecting spiritually. You want to believe, but you don't feel. You try to meditate, but it's a struggle. You want to surrender, but something resists. When Sahasrara is closed, the divine flow is blocked. Everything becomes noise instead of revelation. Sign number 3. Loss of life purpose. Everything becomes mechanical, soulless. You're on autopilot, but can't remember why. Purpose disappears when your crown chakra isn't flowing. Even success feels hollow. Sign number 4. Lack of gratitude or inspiration. Even during joyful moments, something feels dimmed. Life's beauty seems veiled. The soul, silenced. Your heart knows there's more, but can't reach it. Sign number 5. Feeling isolated even in company. It's not ordinary loneliness. It's detachment from the universe, from source, from God. One of the deepest signs of a closed Sahasrara. You're in the world, but don't feel part of it. But even in the deepest darkness, A spark is waiting to be lit. And that spark lives in you, even if you can't see it yet. Physical symptoms: dizziness or pressure at the top of the head, sleep disorders or disconnected dreams, fatigue with no clear cause, light or sound sensitivity, mental confusion without explanation, unexplained headaches, emotional symptoms, persistent discouragement or emptiness, loss of faith, even if you consider yourself spiritual, constant lack of motivation, existential crises, total disconnection from purpose, unexplained irritability, energetic and spiritual symptoms, trouble meditating or calming the mind, feeling like spirituality no longer works, disconnection from your higher self, lack of trust in the divine plan, absence of inspiration or presence, feeling forgotten by life. If you feel this, it's not weakness. It's your soul asking to come home. And if this message reached you, your reconnection has already begun. Nothing is coincidence when the spirit starts awakening. Subscribe to the channel. Together we remember who we are. Beyond body, time and thought. A community of souls. Awakening. The crown chakra doesn't open through words. It opens through surrender, through formless trust, through gentle devotion, through remembering that you were never truly separate. Not even when you didn't feel it. Not even when you doubted. You were always part of the source. You just forgot that silence too is divine language. Here are 7 practices to awaken and harmonize your crown chakra. Meditate in complete silence. Let the emptiness be. That's where presence blooms. Don't fight the mind. Just watch and release it. Gaze at the sky or nature. The infinite above reawakens the infinite within. Every star, every cloud, is a reminder of your origin. Pray or speak to the divine in your own way. Your soul understands the heart's language. It's not about religion, it's about intention. Use affirmations such as, I am connected to the all. Divine wisdom lives within me. I trust the sacred flow of life. Say them with faith, even if it doesn't feel true yet. Practice spontaneous gratitude. Not for something, just for life itself. Even for what you don't yet understand. Seek moments of inspiration. Art, music, silence, beauty, they lift your vibration. When you're inspired, your crown opens. Cultivate presence over answers. Crown chakra wisdom doesn't explain, it illuminates. Stay in the now, and everything else will follow. Tell me in the comments, do you feel like you're reconnecting with your essence? Share this video with someone seeking something beyond the visible. You are light. You are consciousness. You are the divine spark in human form. And when Sahasrara opens, you no longer seek the sacred. You remember, you were always part of it.